In this second video, I want to show how I create files to be sent to students. Okay, for this I have here another macro. The text of this macro will be given below in the post. So the way it works is that you can start in different ways, but I started like this. I choose the block sizes, the cells with block sizes, and then after this I run the macro. So my macro is doing something. You can see on the right side in the VBA window something changes. On the left side nothing changes. It's because screen updating is set to false. Okay, but now we can see here I have a bunch of files created by that macro. Okay, and we can see the contents of one of them, like this one for example. Okay. So the macro reads off the block size, then according to that block size it selects a block from the data that I provided, then copies it to a new file. This is the new file, and that new file is saved under the student's name. Let me see, it's right now this one has 548 rows. Okay, and as you can see, this is done pretty quickly. I'm going to delete those files, and if you have like several hundred students, then probably you need to specify a special folder for all those files in order not to mix them with other files, but that's a technical issue.